guys, this is Mrs. Dunham, and I was just going to make a quick video to show you how to progress through the assignments this week, and to give you an update on how we are going to continue class up until mid-April. So some of our online learning norms are that I'm going to hold office hours from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. I will be using the conference tab, which you can find right here. If you click on it, there should be, I'll have a new conference open for you to join me. And it will also send you a request to come join the conference. We're going to try this out for the first week, and if I feel like we need to move to Zoom or Google Hangouts, we can do that. We might do that. So, a couple of other things. I'll hang out in the conference app for about 15 minutes, and then after that, if no one shows up, I'll leave. If you need me after that point, just send me an email and we'll work it out from there. I'm going to post assignments each week at 8 a.m. and they're going to be due on Friday at 11 p.m. I will answer all emails within a 24-hour period, but I will probably answer them sooner than that. And I will post this week's directions for how to work through the modules in the announcements and message them through Canvas. So one thing, we'll go to modules, we'll go to student view. And so we're on the home page, click modules. And if you go down through here, you'll see that here is the ecology unit. Click on the page that says Ecology Unit Online. Scroll down, and where it says directions for the modules, you'll see that there's a list of assignments to be completed this week. I went a little light on work this week because I feel like there's a lot going on. And so if you look right here, you'll see 2 assignments that you probably already completed. And I put those there because there are several of you that were maybe absent on that day, and so you can submit those assignments still right here, numbers 1 and 2. After that, go ahead and move on to the Amoeba Sisters video. And so for the Amoeba Sisters video, you're just going to watch the video and answer the 4 questions here. After that, take this short little quiz on symbiotic relationships. You have a couple attempts on that, and there's no time limit. You have an ecology review. And just, move through this Google assignment and submit it. And then last but not least, you have an ecology test. You're going to have 2 attempts at that, and you will have no time limit. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or join me for conference hours, and I hope that you all are doing well.